negotiate an as-is home?
You can prior to the contract. So prior to, us agreeing on terms, I'm obviously going to come out, take a look at the house, if you call and ask me to, or submit something online. But I'll give you an offer, and it'll be, the terms. It's going to be cash. It's going to be as is, no repairs, no inspections. You don't have to pay any real estate fees. But as far as the negotiation, prior to whether you wanted to stay in your house, like maybe you want to sell it to us, and ahead of time, and then stay in the house for 3 weeks, a month prior to, as long as we know ahead before everything's agreed to, yeah, it's perfectly, you can negotiate anything. If I give you an offer and you want to negotiate it way over my offer and it doesn't make sense, I'm obviously probably not going to agree to that, but we can agree to disagree and move on. But usually when I go out and talk to somebody, I also try to give them some input as far as if I see things. So it can be educational too anyway. So hopefully it's not a loss of their time.